Are you a plant lover with a busy schedule? Do you yearn for the beauty of greenery in your home but struggle to find the time to care for your plants? Well, we have the perfect solution for you, the Moses in the Cradle plant, the ultimate low-maintenance plant for busy plant lovers. The Moses in the Cradle, scientifically known as Tradescantia sp., is a stunning houseplant that requires minimal attention and care. Its unique name comes from its cradle-shaped bracts that hold the small, delicate flowers. One of the key reasons why the Moses in the Cradle plant is ideal for busy plant lovers is its ability to thrive in a variety of lighting conditions. Whether you have a well-lit room or a slightly darker corner, this resilient plant will adapt and continue to flourish. Another remarkable feature of the Moses in the Cradle plant is its slow growth rate. Unlike some plants that can quickly overtake your space, this plant grows at a manageable pace, reducing the need for frequent pruning or repotting. Watering can be a concern for busy individuals, but fear not. The Moses in the Cradle is drought-tolerant and can withstand occasional forgetfulness. Its thick, fleshy leaves store water, allowing it to survive in dry conditions without constant watering. When it comes to fertilization, simplicity is key. A balanced, all-purpose fertilizer applied once or twice a year is sufficient to keep your Moses in the Cradle plant healthy and vibrant. Not only is the Moses in the Cradle plant easy to care for, but it also adds a touch of natural elegance to any space. Its vibrant green leaves and distinctive bracts make it a stylish addition to your home or office. So, if you're a busy plant lover seeking a hassle-free yet beautiful plant companion, look no further than the Moses in the Cradle. Its low-maintenance nature and captivating features make it the ultimate choice for those with limited time but a deep love for greenery.